you tell us that your government has given itself, and I quote, 100 days to finalize a social compact to grow our economy, create jobs, and combat hunger, unquote. Now, no one here can argue with that. They're incredible goals. But what were you doing for the last 100 days? Or the last 1,000 days, for that matter?
I spend time on your rhetoric. Is that the DA's difference is a racial difference. Because you see it in Guguletu, in Philippi, in Tembaletu, in Oton, all over.
Bring our people to the private sector for jobs is like sending a cattle for slaughter. What we know about the private capitalist sector is that its purpose has never been and will never be about creation of jobs. The purpose of a capitalist industry to exist is not for jobs purposes.
Honourable Speaker, Honourable Prince Buthelezi does not question the President's integrity or even his intent. Indeed, he pities the President, for it would be impossible to address even a fraction of the flood of expectations. But his concern is with the political will and the ability of the ruling party to do everything the President has committed to do in his State of the Nation address.
Daar is nou wysigingswetsontwerpe op die tafel waar die taalbeleid van skole op die einde van die dag vir 'n finale besluit gaan berus, nie by die minister of die LER nie, by die departementshoofde in provinsies. Daar is nuwe wysigings wat selfs bepaal wat is die toelatingsbeleid vir ons skole. Ek wil vandag vir die agbare president sê, u is deel van 'n aanslag op Afrikaans. U woorde in 2018 was hol woorde.
Without preempting the final outcome of the Zondo Commission, the same goes for the monies that as were confirmed at the Zondo Commission and Empathic Commission as well. That is the VBS, SSA and Bosasa standards were diverted to your party's coffers. When will that money be returned to the fiscus to fix roads and many other infrastructure and other projects? Makusetshenzwe ngoku, i-evidence ikhona, you have nothing to lose. Fakuswazi.